Hi there, this is Mitchell from the Ultimate 3D Printing Store, and today we're going to be unboxing the Cricut Maker 3. This is how your Maker 3 will arrive to you when you order it from us. It'll be in a big brown box, which should protect it from shipping and handling. Once you have the big brown box cut, you can pull the other box from inside the box out of the box. It's a lot of boxes. Be sure to keep your other box just in case if you need to send it back to us. We will not accept any returns that are not in the original packaging. And here it is, the Maker 3 in its Maker 3 box. Let's go on and open this thing up and see what it can do. When you first open the box, you will see this Cricut welcome pamphlet. Let's go on and open it up and see what it says. Within this, you will have a green card that says you need to activate the machine via the link cricut.com/setup. Along with this, you have some sample material of what looks like vinyl that you can start to use as a test piece. And then, obviously, you have your instruction, safety, and warranty manuals. Here we can see the machine is packed with these egg carton-looking pieces of cardboard. Just remove those, and the machine should be able to pop right out. Also, from inside the machine, you have full sheets of vinyl that you can use to start some projects with. You have a USB cable that'll plug in directly to your computer. And you also have the power brick that'll plug into the machine to power it. Here we have the machine in front of us. You can see that it is covered in a plastic sleeve, so you'll need to cut that off. And here's the machine in all its glory. Let's take a closer look to see how we can set this thing up to start your very first project. There's a small piece of foam padding inside the machine that keeps the heads in place during shipping. You can go on and remove that and set that to the side. Here are the buttons of the machine. You have power, load and unload, start, and pause. You can see the tool tray underneath the lid. You can store extra razor blades and other utensils that you would use, even some heads and pins. It also has a slot where you can put a tablet in if you would like to use a tablet with this machine. On the left side of the machine, you have a little storage cup which you can place more tools in, like scissors or weeding tools. Included with the machine is a blade tool. Just open it up, remove it, and you can see that there is a very, very small razor blade in here. Be careful, it's very sharp. With the basics of the machine over with, let's head over to the computer and continue to set it up on the computer. On our computer, let's head over to cricut.com/setup to continue setting up the machine. We will click on cutting machines because that is what we have. This is a Maker machine. Let's go on and download Design Space. With Cricut Design Space, you can use both an online and offline version. I'm just going to download the offline version just in case if I lose internet and want to continue to work on my projects. While that's installing, I'm going to plug in the USB cable that came with the machine into the computer. It looks like a standard printer USB cable. The plug is on the back, so let's plug that in and then plug it into the USB port on our computer. With Design Space open, we go to Product Setup. If you don't already have a Cricut ID, you'll have to make one right here. But if you do, just go over to Sign In and input your information. Once we've signed in, we will click on Smart Cutting Machine. And this is the Cricut Maker 3. You need to make sure your workspace has at least 10 inches of clearance behind the Maker machine. This is because the material will go in and out of the machine as it is cutting its design. Plug the machine in, power it on, and then connect the USB. As you can see, the machine is being recognized on our USB hub. The machine will be registered and it will update. The machine will reboot a couple times as it is applying the update. Make sure you do not disconnect the power cord or the USB port from the machine. As you can see, we have success. Our Maker 3 is now registered and set up. Cricut has an online feature called Cricut Access. You can have a free trial which lasts for 30 days and it will include all of these options, including 250,000 plus images, 700 plus fonts, exclusive features, discount on licensed content, priority member care for customer support, and savings. After the free trial, it's only $9.99 a month, excluding taxes. You can cancel at any time. From here, we need to select an image that we would like to test cut. I select this, continue. We need to make sure the blade is secure in clamp B. To do this, open up the clamp, release the lock, and make sure that the blade is firmly secured. Close it back, lock it in, and you're good to go. What we will do is use this long piece of vinyl that came with the machine. We need to make sure it is lined up with the rollers and these fancy guides that'll help you line it up perfectly. Once that is done, we press the load button. And just like that, we hit start and watch the magic happen. Now that it's done cutting, we unload the material, and that's it. You can peel your stickers off from the vinyl. There's so many cool things you can make with a machine like this. Anything from stickers to decals, all the way up to drawing images with a pen tool. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Cricut Maker 3 here at the Ultimate 3D Printing Store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find more information about this machine and other machines we sell here at the Ultimate 3D Printing Store in the description below.